The overall goal of this ruthenium-catalyzed and oxidant-free protocol is to synthesize Ze-butadienes by olefination of electron-deficient alkenes using aminocarbonyl as a directing group.
This method can help answer key questions in the CH bond functionalization, such as the olefination of alkenes using allyl acetate. The main advantage of this technique is that Ze-butadiene can be obtained directly from acrylamide and allyl acetate without any oxidant using an inexpensive ruthenium catalyst.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Chunbing Yu, a graduate student in our laboratory.
Prior to starting this procedure, dry an 8 ml screw cap reaction vial with a compatible magnetic stir bar in an oven at 120 degrees Celsius for over 2 hours. After removing the vial from the oven, cool it to room temperature with inert gas before use. Using an analytical balance, weigh 3.7 milligrams of ruthenium-cymene chloride dimer and 13.7 milligrams of silver hexafluoroantimonate into the reaction vial. Next, add 1 milliliter of dry 1,2-dichloroethane to the reaction vial. Using the analytical balance, weigh 0.2 millimoles of acrylamide into the reaction vial. Then, add 43 microliters of allyl acetate to the reaction vial with a microsyringe.